Welcome to Insurefit Vehicle Installations based in Blackburn, Lancashire. Approved Starline installer, locks vans installer. We also carry out fleet conversions, racking, various other projects as well. Today we've got a Mitsubishi Outlander in, Starline S9 and the iRoad dash camera system. So we've got worn away on this vehicle, we've got shock motion. There's the worn away. That'll give you an alert to your phone as well. We've also got shock and motion in there. We've got multi-point immobilisation, honk. So we've also got pin to drive, ignition on. Nothing will happen until a tag or the pin has been entered. I'm going to do this now just so you can see it. And there we go. We can start the vehicle now as normal. So this is a hybrid vehicle, so electric and engine. So Insurefit are Lancashire's longest serving Starline installer. We're also approved locks and vans fitting centre. We do everything in-house. We don't bring anybody else in to do anything for us. So if you're looking for locks and alarms fitted to your vehicles, give us a call on 01254 200 211. Thanks for watching.